Welcome to While You Were Pooping, where we share fun facts, helpful anecdotes, or something to laugh about in just the time it takes you to number 2. Today, we're taking a giant leap to our celestial neighbor, the moon. But we're not talking about moonwalks or space missions today. Instead, we're diving into something fiery and explosive, volcanoes on the moon. Strap in, because this is going to be a blast.
While you were pooping, yeah. While you were pooping, while you were pooping, yeah. While you were pooping.
When we think of the moon, we often picture a cold, barren landscape marked with craters. However, the moon's history is more volcanic than you might think. Although these aren't the towering eruptive volcanoes we have on Earth, lunar volcanism has played a significant role in shaping the moon's surface. This volcanic activity dates back billions of years. The most visible evidence is the lunar maria, those vast, dark plains that make up the face of the moon. These maria were formed by ancient volcanic eruptions when magma from the moon's interior welled up and flooded giant impact basins. These eruptions weren't explosive like those on Earth. Because the moon lacks an atmosphere, the eruptions were more about oozing and flowing. Imagine a slow, bubbling spread rather than a dramatic blast. And here's something really cool. Some of this activity was relatively recent, at least in geological terms. Scientists have found evidence of volcanic activity on the moon that could be as young as 100 million years old. That means the moon was volcanically active long after it was thought to have cooled and become geologically dead. But why does this matter? Understanding lunar volcanism helps scientists figure out the moon's thermal history and its geological evolution. It also provides clues about the moon's interior, what it's made of, and how it's changed over time. So, next time you gaze up at the moon, remember, it's not just a passive ball of cheese or rock. It's a dynamic world with a fiery past, filled with volcanic plains and a history just waiting to be explored. This episode is brought to you by VectorX, your go-to Salesforce partner. Just like While You Were Pooping, VectorX is all about fitting seamlessly into your life. We understand that your time's valuable, and that's why we help streamline and supercharge your Salesforce experience, so you can get back to what matters most, your life. Flush away inefficiency at vectorx.com. That's VECTORX.com. That's all for today's episode. Join us during your next poo when we drop another nugget or two for your enjoyment. And when your friends ask, "How do you know that?" just let them know you learned it while you were pooping.
Yeah. While you were pooping, while you were pooping.